Welcome to episode 43 of Paper Brief, where we dive into the world of cutting-edge research. I'm Charlie, and with me today is our machine learning maestro, Cleo. In this edition, we're delving into PF-LRM, pose-free large reconstruction model for joint pose and shape prediction. So Cleo, to kick things off, can you give us a nutshell explanation of what this paper is about?
Absolutely, Charlie. This paper is quite fascinating. It's about a model that can predict both the pose and shape of objects or humans from images without the need for predefined poses. It's groundbreaking for 3D reconstructions.
That sounds incredible. How does it differ from previous models?
Most earlier models required some information about the pose to start with, while PF-LRM is designed to work without that, making it more flexible and widely applicable. It uses a novel neural network architecture for this.
Does this mean it could be used for capturing motion in sports or animation without those funky motion capture suits?
Exactly. The implications for animation, VR, and even sports analytics are huge since it simplifies the process and lowers the cost barrier significantly.
That's a game changer indeed. And in terms of accuracy, how does it hold up?
The authors report that it achieves state-of-the-art performance, and it even improves upon previous models in various benchmarks.
So what about the data set used? Do they mention the sort of data needed to train this model?
They do. The paper details using both synthetic and real-world datasets, highlighting the model's robustness across different scenarios.
And for the ML enthusiasts out there, wondering about the nitty-gritty, any special frameworks or technologies mentioned?
They've used some pretty standard deep learning libraries and frameworks. What stands out is the custom network architecture and the use of adversarial training, which is pretty neat.
Cleo, thanks for unpacking that for us. It definitely feels like PF-LRM is pushing boundaries. Any final thoughts before we wrap up?
Just that it's exciting to see where this technology will go, especially in creative industries. The potential is enormous.
Can't wait to see it in action. That's all for today's episode of Paper Brief. Thanks for tuning in, and a big thanks to Cleo for the insights. Until next time, keep on learning and have fun.